Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort month chronologically on Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel, and as you can see guys, I have created month list, and I'm going to sort it chronologically because it's still random. First of all, we need to select the list like this, and we're going to go to the editing tools and go to the sort and folder menu, and you can choose custom sort. Okay, and go to the order, and for the order you can select the custom list, and to sort the month chronologically you can choose this one or this one or maybe this one. It's up to you, and for me I'm gonna go with this one. All right, and just click on OK. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the month list has been sorted chronologically from January to December. Okay guys, and that's all the way to sort month chronologically on Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.